Engineering for Digital Transformation. The project is eCode's Mission Mode project, receives the Gold Award, and it is for the Department of Justice, Ministry of Law and Justice and E-Committee of Supreme Court of India. The awardees are Shri Barun Mitra, Secretary, Department of Justice. Each one of you to clap for the awardees, and I would request the team to please come forward to receive their award. And the Gold Award is being given on the central level. Shri Prashant Kumar, Project Manager, Shri Vivek Chitale, Senior Technical Director, NIC.
की गई तस्वीरें लेता है, जो ठेकेदारों और जिला इंजीनियरों की तमाम परेशानियों का हल एक साथ करता है।
So COVID, which came as a curse or an adversity, also carried some of its virtues. And I compliment Srinivas and his team that they succeeded in converting an adversity into a virtue by extending this digital governance concept across the country. And I think the outcome of this, which is quite gratifying, which also vindicates us, is that all throughout the COVID, now this has been almost 2 years of the pandemic, at least in the Department of Personnel, and I am sure it must be the case in the other ministries as well, the office work did not suffer even for a single day. And what I say next would rather amuse you. In fact, we were working more than in the non-COVID times, because our colleagues were working from home even on the holidays, on the weekends. It was no longer that 9 to 5 conditioning of mind.